All right, let's get into this industrial AI operating system. It's essentially turning digital twins into active, intelligent partners that actually run and improve physical factories.
Exactly. It's like bridging the whole gap between digital designs and the actual machine operations on the factory floor, right?
Right, right. So here's the scoop. Siemens brings the deep industrial know-how, while NVIDIA supplies the power of AI, advanced GPU computing, and simulation frameworks. It's not just one product, but a full stack integration from design and simulation to adaptive manufacturing and smart supply chain solutions.
Got it. So essentially, we're talking about making digital twins more than passive replicas. They become like decision makers that continuously optimize operations, correct?
Yeah, exactly. It's like imagine your digital twin is no longer just on a screen, but it's actively simulating different operational tweaks in real time, then coordinating with, say, the AI brain of a factory to adjust things like robot paths, energy
Yeah,
usage,
that's a
even
game
production
changer.
scheduling.
And speaking of game changers, I read that they're even planning to launch the first AI driven adaptive manufacturing facility in Germany by 2026. Isn't that ambitious?
Absolutely. And the idea is to have these so-called AI factories where virtually every element, from plant layout to maintenance scheduling, is continuously refined by AI. It's like the system runs a mini simulation every few seconds, optimizing operations before you even notice any hiccups.
Right, right. Now, one thing I'm wondering, given that they're integrating so many AI features in design and simulation, is there a risk that the system might over optimize and lose flexibility in sudden market changes?
That's a fair point. I mean, while the promise is huge, making everything faster, like chip design cycles cutting down from weeks to days, there's always a trade off when you lean heavily on automation. Yet, from what I understand, the system is being pressure tested internally by both Siemens and NVIDIA. In other words, they're ensuring that these iterations are robust before customers are rolled into the mix.
That's reassuring. I can see this bringing quick adaptations and iterative improvements in both product development and operational efficiency. And what's cool is that it doesn't just stop at manufacturing.
Right? It extends all along the industrial value chain, from AI native electronic design automation, where tasks like chip layout and verification get huge speed boosts. We're talking 2 times to 10 times improvements, to adaptive control in supply logistics. This is like building an entire ecosystem where every part talks to each other autonomously.
Yeah, it's like having a brain for the factory. And by combining Siemens' industrial expertise with NVIDIA's AI hardware software, they're not only innovating new solutions, but also expanding their markets. It's definitely a win-win for investors and manufacturers alike.
Absolutely. Totally. The vision is to create an execution layer for industry where AI and simulation come together to provide real-time insights that drive transformations across production, design, and even energy management.
Right on. I really love how this could redefine what's possible in manufacturing. Yet I still wonder if the pace of this transformation may outstrip the current workforce adaptability. Don't you think there's room for debate on that?
Oh, definitely. There's the human element to consider. But if you see it as a tool that enhances decision making and streamlines repetitive tasks, then it could upskill the workforce rather than replace it entirely. It's like a new pair of gloves. These systems are meant to empower,
Yeah,
not
I can buy
sideline
that.
the existing talent.
So, if these industrial AI operating systems deliver on their promise, we might be witnessing a true industrial revolution where factories are not just smart, but almost self thinking.
Exactly. And that aligns perfectly with NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's vision of generative AI sparking a new industrial revolution. The integration of simulation, real-time data, and adaptive manufacturing sets the stage for something unprecedented in how industries operate.
Absolutely. It's a bold vision. I'm excited to see how the first blueprint in Germany unfolds and how quickly these ideas will ripple out across different sectors.
Me too. The journey into a fully AI-enabled industrial future is just beginning, but the potential to reshape production, cut costs, and boost innovation is immense.
Definitely exciting times ahead. All right, here's to the industrial AI revolution. May the machines work smarter, not harder.